Now that the rear cap and female spline bearing are back in place, it's time to reinstall the tie rod bolts. First, apply a small amount of Loctite to the threaded portion of the tie rod bolt, and then reinstall the tie rod bolt. Now with the 1/4 inch T-handle wrench, just snug the bolts up until we can ensure squareness of the unit. Now place the unit on a machined flat surface to check for square. If the unit rocks at all, it is out of square. Simply tap the unit with the dead blow mallet and this will bring it to square.